Igbo Highlife music isn't just a genre, it is an integral part of Igbo culture. This distinct sound has transcended its roots in Igbo land to achieve global recognition. In April 2021, Google honored one of Africa's highlife music legends, Oliver the Cook, with a dodo, underscoring the genre's far-reaching influence. Igbo highlife music is a contemporary genre that melds traditional highlife and the Igbo musical elements. Originating in the eastern region of Nigeria in the 1950s, it is primarily characterized by guitar-based melodies enriched with horns and vocal rhymes. Lyrics are predominantly sung in Igbo, occasionally interspersed with Pidgin English. Over the years, the Igbo highlife scene has witnessed the rise and fall of legendary musicians who enchanted audiences with their melodic prowess. Here are my top 10 greatest Igbo highlife musicians of all times, listed in a particular order of influence. Number 1. Chief Stephen Osita Osadebe. Chief Stephen Osita Osadebe was born in Atani, a village in Obaro local government area of Anambra State. Dubbed the Doctor of Hypertension, Osadebe's music possessed a mesmerizing quality that comforted troubled souls, regarded as a pioneering figure in Igbo highlife music. Osadebe's illustrious career spanned over 40 years, during which he composed over 500 songs. His eclectic style, characterized by a fusion of percussions, guitars, wind instruments, and occasional saxophone solos, earned him the moniker Father of Igbo Highlife. Albums like Osundi Owendi and Kedu America showcased his penchant for incorporating social criticism into his music, garnering widespread acclaim and numerous awards. Osita Osadebe is ranked number 1 in our list of greatest Igbo highlife musicians of all times. Number 2. Oliver the Cook. Sunday Akalite was born in Ezinifite, a small town in Nnewi South local government area of Anambra State. Oliver the Cook remains one of Africa's most iconic highlife musicians, even a decade after his passing, with a prolific career spanning over 70 albums. The Cook's music continued to resonate with audiences worldwide, renowned for infusing modern West African highlife with Congolese-influenced guitar melodies and energetic Igbo dance rhymes. He pioneered a unique musical style. Oliver the Cook is ranked number 2 in our list of greatest Igbo highlife musicians of all times. Number 3. Christ Ogonus Ezebiro Obinna, popularly known as Sawario. 1947 to June 1999. Sawario was an Igbo highlife musician, guitarist, and vocalist for the Oriental Brothers International Band. The original Oriental Brothers were formed by Godwin Kabaka Opara with his brothers Ferdinand Dansach Emeka Opara, Christ Ogonus Ezebiro, Warrior Obinna, and Kabaka Opara, along with Nathaniel Mangala Ejiogu, Habrilius Dakwela Laribe, and Prince Ichita Ejiogu, died shortly before the band's success. The first split within the group occurred in 1977 when founding members F. Dansach Opara and Prince Ichita left to start their own bands under the Oriental Brothers moniker, while Opara's group recorded 6 albums between 1977 and 1984. Ichita's band, featuring original Oriental Brothers member Habrilius Dakwela Laribe, recorded 2 albums. Before Ichita's death in early 80s, Aquila went on to join Dr. Sawario's group, remaining until Warrior's death in 1999. Sawario is ranked number 3 in our list of greatest Igbo highlife musicians of all times. Number 4. Morocco Mmaduka. Chief Morocco Mmaduka was born in Ukulu, a town in Dunukofe local government area of Anambra State. He made his mark in music with the traditional Egwekili music, as he was credited with the modernization of the traditional folklore music with modern musical instruments and sound. His songs focus on moralistic, philosophical, and numerous issues that face the society. Morocco is ranked number 4 in our list of greatest Igbo highlife musicians of all times. Number 5. Mike Ejeagha. Mike Ejeagha is a renowned Igbo folklore musician with over 37 albums and 5 singles to his credit. His 1960s song Ofunwana shot him to fame. Ejeagha brought glory to Ndi Igbo and kept the ancient ways of our ancestors alive through his folklore music. In Igbo land, due to his trademark of telling long stories in his music, you will be told Uncle Mike Ejeagha to a long story. Mike Ejeagha is ranked number 5 in our list of greatest Igbo Highlife musicians of all times. Number 6. Celestine Okwu. Celestine Okwu was a renowned Igbo Highlife musician during the 1960s and 1970s. The Ijenu and Osondo crooner hailed from Abo, Inudi local government area of Enugu State. He died in an auto crash in Ogidi on May 7, 1976, aged 36. Celestine Okwu was an Igbo Highlife musician during the 60s and 70s, best known for his hit songs Ijenu, Igede, and Money Palava. Described as a prolific and outstanding composer by music critic Benson Idonije of Radio Nigeria 2. Okwu's works has been featured on various world music compilations including The Rough Guide to Highlife and The Rough Guide to Psychedelic Africa. Celestine Okwu is ranked number 6 in our list of greatest Igbo Highlife musicians of all times. Please, before we continue, I would like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Igbo History TV. Turn on the notification icon for more updates. Number 7. Godi Ezike. Godi Ezike was born in Amichi, a town in Nnewi South local government area of Anambra State. During the 1970s, Professor Godi Ezike rose to prominence as a member of the Stephen Ostoserebe's band, a renowned Nigerian highlife music group. His exceptional talent and unique musical style caught the attention of audiences, and he quickly established himself as a prominent musician in the industry. Godi Ezike was a Nigerian highlife musician who gained widespread recognition and became a cherished figure among the people of Anambra and his fans. Godi was born on September 29, 1943 in Umuleri, Amichi, Nnewi South local government area of Anambra State. His father Humphrey Obiokwu Ezike introduced him to the traditional Igbo Egwekili music at a young age, setting the foundation for his musical journey. Godi Ezike is ranked number 7 in our list of greatest Igbo Highlife musicians of all times. Chief Akonwa Tozemena Nsugbe, also known as Ayaka Igbo Niile, is an Igbo Highlife musician, started singing in 1967 and was signed on to Morgan Entertainment, the same label under which late Igbo rapper MC Loaf was signed. Most of his songs was meant to sensitize people on the need to go back to Igbo tradition and ways of life, and also adapt the beneficial part of Western civilization and do away with ones which were meant to enslave, weaken, and limit us. Chief Ozemena Nsugbe was born in Ogware, a village in Nsugbe, a town in the Anambra East local government area of Anambra State. He is ranked number 8 in our list of greatest Igbo Highlife musicians of all times. Number 9. Pulsing Kalu. Pulsing Kalu, also known as Africana, is a legendary highlife music artist hailing from Akano, Ahafia, Abia State. Starting with the Martin Brothers Dance Band, he pursued his music career during the war era by joining Erasmus January and later Stephen Osadebe's band, who became his mentor. He founded his Africana dance band in Onitsha, earning renown for his philosophical-infused Igbo language highlife songs. Pulsing Kalu is ranked number 9 in our list of greatest Igbo highlife musicians of all times. Number 10. Bright Chimezie. Bright Chimezie is a musician from Umuahia in Abia State, Nigeria. Born 1st October 1960 and is married to Chinyere Chimezie. His music style became known as Zigima sound. It is a genre which became popular in the eastern part of Nigeria in the early 1980s. It is a mix of traditional Nigerian music and Igbo highlife fused with chanted vocals. Bright Chimezie made songs like Onurube Nwanne, Because of English, African Style. His album Respect Africa brought him to limelight as he used these songs to ridicule problems in the society. He is also known for his dance steps, popularly known as legwork. His stylish way of mixing excellent steps and a warning chant gave him the title the Duke of African Music. Bright Chimezie is ranked number 10 in our list of greatest Igbo Highlife musicians of all times. Don't forget to drop your comments and tell us your mind about this video. Thank you.